Learn French with DJ. Hello, good morning, and welcome to Learn French with DJ. This is the first video in a series of Learn the French Basics. As you have landed up on this video, it is obvious you are new to French language and you are a keen learner of French, or you may want to learn French very seriously. Guys, today we'll learn a few words of French and a little bit of grammar which will introduce you to French, and in a few days time you should be able to speak a little bit of French, especially if you are in France, roaming in Paris. You should be able to talk a little bit of French in a few days. So, are you ready? So, without wasting time, we'll start. We'll start with the explanation. So, let us see few words. The first word I would like to introduce you to would be sa. Now, when I am speaking, please pay attention to the sounds. Sa means this or that. Now, it is as simple as that. But the letter C has got a accent below it called cedi in French. This just tells you that the letter C is to be pronounced like soft S, that is S, and not K. Okay, so S means this or that. Next word would be s'il vous plaît. This sentence, s'il vous plaît, means if you please. Remember, in France, most of the people keep saying this sentence, s'il vous plaît, which is please. So, to be polite in France, you have to use this word all the time. Now, s'il vous plaît. See, I'm not pronouncing this S or the T in the play. That is so because in French, whenever a word ends with a consonant, it is silent. Also, see here we have A and I combination letters. Whenever there is combination of letters A and I, it is pronounced like A. So we say s'il vous plaît. Next word I would take up is plat. This plat means dish. Now imagine you are in a restaurant in Paris and you have to speak with the people in the restaurant. So you should be able to talk a little bit, and obviously you should know what you call in French for dish. So it is called as plat. It is plat. Again, the last T is not pronounced. Next, I will explain you supla, which means this so means this or that. Supla means this dish. Supla s'il vous plaît means this dish please. Now, supposing you are having a menu card and you don't know much about French language, so what would you do? You would just point to a dish and say, this dish please. So you would simply say, soup plat, s'il vous plaît. Isn't it simple? French language is simple. Soup plat, s'il vous plaît. Next, if you want to say, I want this dish, you are showing a menu card and saying, I want this particular dish. Then you would say, Je vous supplie, s'il vous plaît. Here, the new thing is je. Je means I. Vous means what. So means this or that. Plat means dish. S'il vous plaît means please. See here again, vous, this final X is not pronounced, and we have a combination of letters E and U. Whenever there is a combination of letter E and U, it is pronounced like O. So I would say je vous supplie, s'il vous plaît. Next would be je veux la carte, s'il vous plaît. I want the menu, please. See here, carte means menu. La carte means the menu card. This la is equivalent to the in English. This la is called as article. This is article and it is definite article la. But most importantly, this la signifies that cart is a feminine word. Friends, in French, all the nouns have genders. That is, they are either masculine or feminine. So, in this case, carte is feminine. So, we say la carte. Now, don't worry much about all these grammatical aspects. As we go on, you will be able to learn, and I will explain to you in details all these things. So, how do we remember whether the noun is a masculine or feminine? So, the easiest way, which works most of the time but not all the time, is when the word ends with E, it is usually feminine noun. So we had, and while memorizing, you memorize it as la carte, la carte, and you just don't. I mean, you don't memorize it carte, but you memorize it as la carte, and this la implicates it is a feminine noun. Next would be supla, which means this dish. Now, don't worry much about this. What I have given here is the first word which we discussed was sa, which means this or that. But while saying this dish, we say supla and not sapla. That is because This sa is not particular about anything. It can be anything. On the other hand, we are when we are particular about a thing, about a particular dish, supposing you are seeing a menu card and you are pointing to a particular dish, in that case you are precise about the dish, and so we have to say supla. Supla. Again, this su means masculine, pla is masculine. As you can see, it doesn't have e at the end of it. On the other hand, karth. Karth is a feminine noun. So it is this menu. For this menu, we would say set card. Set card. This set means this or that. But more importantly, this set signifies that Karth is a feminine word. And you can see we have E at the end of the both of the words. Next word I would like to introduce is Le Cafe. Now you might have seen I haven't given you a word simply things like cafe. No, either I am saying it Le Cafe or Sir Cafe and things and so on. So this is how we usually learn. This is how we remember the gender of a noun by associating it with the article, definite article le. So we always say le cafe and not just cafe. And one more important thing is in French, every noun should have an article. In English, we may skip the article, but in French, it doesn't happen. So it is le cafe, which means the coffee. Obviously, le means it is masculine in nature. So cafe means this or that coffee. Next, you may need water when you are in a restaurant. So water is O, E A U, O. So we say la O. Now we don't say la O because in French, when we have two vowels in front of each other or side by side, when two vowels are side by side, one of the vowels, that is the first vowel, vanishes and we get a apostrophe. So la o becomes lo. So we never say la o, we say lo, which is the water. Also, set o means this water. This signifies, this la signifies it is a feminine word. But L apostrophe O, lo, can be L O or La O. So, how to make it? Set. Now, this word set implies that O is feminine. So, remember O is feminine. So, set O. Next, je vous une eau, s'il vous plaît. I want one water, please. Now, in the English, we may say, I want one water, we don't say, it can be a glass of water or a bottle of water, maybe it's one water bottle, please. So, in French, we say, je vous, you know, s'il vous plaît. The new word here is Yun. Yun means one or a. This is called indefinite article. Une, yun is indefinite article and it is feminine. So we say yun o. As we already know, o is a feminine word. So yun o. Je veux un café, s'il vous plaît. So pay attention to this It is and not un. It's only a nasal pronunciation. Je veux un café, s'il vous plaît, which means I want a coffee, please. So this means one or a, and it implies it's a masculine word. Coffee is masculine. Cafe. Next, I would say, so you have taken water, you have taken coffee, you have taken a dish as well. So you might ask for a bill. So if you want to say, I want the bill, please, how would you say? You would say, Je veux l'addition, s'il vous plaît. See, this word addition, it is similar to addition. Addition means bill, adding up of the different bills, whatever you have taken, l'addition. But it is not addition, this tion is pronounced as sion. L'addition, it's a nasal word. Just remember, je veux l'addition, s'il vous plaît. Finally, the bill is paid and you would say merci, which means thank you or thanks. Pay attention to the pronunciation. It is not the way we speak in English, mercy. It is merci, thank you. And let us now see whatever we have learned, some of the uh, words. Here we have masculine words. Le café, which means the coffee. L'hôtel means the hotel. In French, this H is never pronounced. H is never pronounced. So it is as good as H is not there. So we pronounce it as l'hôtel. Next, un café, un hotel, which means one coffee, one hotel. Ce café, cet hotel. Ce café means this coffee. Cet hotel means this or that hotel. Now the feminine words are la carte, l'eau, which means the menu card, the water. Une carte, which means a menu card. You know, means one or more water. Set card, which means this or that menu card. And seto, seto means this or that water. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed the French class and you are very curious to learn next uh, advanced French, I would say. So, based on today's class, we will build up in future, in coming days, your vocabulary, your grammar, your pronunciation, your sounds, French sounds, etc. And in about 15 days to 1 month, you will be able to speak a few words with which you can manage if you are at airports or hotel, uh, or when you are if you are talking with a cab or taxi in France. So after that we will continue, and the serious learners can also learn the serious advanced French language. Now, if you have not subscribed, obviously you have not subscribed this video. So please subscribe to my video so that you will get notifications regarding my videos when they are out. Also, if you are a keen learner of French, you want some assistance, you have some queries, please do not hesitate to make comments and click below given links for your more information. If you want to have any clarifications or contact me, please click below given links and I will answer the queries as early as possible. I would say immediately. So, thank you. Merci.